today we will be smelling wax and lotion stuff like that. So this one is my favorite piece.
What is it? What is it though?
A bath bomb. Yeah, it is a bath bomb. Okay.
Do you like it?
Do you like it? Yeah.
Tell me.
I don't know what it is, but
Oh,
it's really good.
let sister get him, sweetie.
This one is Dole Whip, right?
What is it?
Lotion. And let's see.
Careful, they might explode.
Okay. Can you pause it? This one smells really good. Oh, this one kind of exploded, so there's one that it smells really good, like honey, I guess. And there's a wax of it, so we can smell this one.
That's actually a soap shot.
Okay, it's a soap shot, and it smells good. Really good. Smell it. Smell it. Okay.
What do you think, Drea? Do you like it?
This kind is the Warpahus.
Does it smell good, Drea?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay, hold on. You could get that one. Okay. It's called Pina Colada. Say Pina Colada. It's Pina Colada and
What is that? A lotion?
yeah.
Okay.
And I go
Stop shaking so much,
one
babe.
time. It's
Stop
called
shaking so much, Carmen.
What?
Don't shake around so much because it makes the video jiggly.
Okay.
Okay, what's next, Drea?
That one is, this one is Pink Noel.
Pink Noel?
And this one,
That's a soap shot.
it's a show shop.
What do you...
Smells so good.
It smells so good. What does it smell like?
It smells like pina colada. Like, it looks like that.
Okay. What's next?
It's your time. How do you say that?
Viva la Juicy
Pina Juicy.
lotion.
That one is Pina Juicy. And
Mm-hmm.
this one is pina colada. And
What do you think? Is it good?
it is good, but I don't taste it all. I never know what it's gonna smell like.
Okay, what's next?
Ooh, this one.
Raspberry.
Sweet tea
Yeah.
on.
That's a scent shot. What do you think about that one?
It's good and it's so. It smells good, but I never know.
Okay.
What's next? I never know. Pina.
Viva la Juicy.
How come we have two?
One's a lotion and one's a soap shot.
Pina Juicy. Oh, yeah. Pina Juicy. Yay.
Do you like Candles by Victoria lotion, Drea?
I love this one.
Packing
And
peanut.
Also, I gotta give this to Are these edible?
I don't think so. What's next, Drea?
And also Saint Lucia.
Is that one a good one?
Yeah. So what's next? Purple Rain.
A scent shot. Smell it.
Okay. And it's just
Good or bad? Is that good or bad?
good.
It was good? Okay.
Pina colada.
Another pina colada. We must love pina colada.
And here's this big pink one.
Serendipity.
Serendipity.
Lotion. You love that lotion? Me too.
So it's $7.99 to the big one.
Okay, what's next?
Apple martini.
Yeah.
And we'll smell it. It smells like grape apple cider.
You don't like that one?
Apple cider. It smells like apple cider. And it smells gross.
It smells gross. Of course, my phone's ringing. Pink Noel lotion, yep.
So, next. No, one more.
There's a couple more things. No, one more thing? Okay, what is it? Okay, sister, what is that?
So my name is Carmen, and this one is Carmen Miranda.
What is it?
Bethel. I read it.
What does it smell like?
Kind of like candy. Melted candy.
Melted candy. So is it a good smell?
Kind of, not really.
Let me smell it. I think it's supposed to have apples and some other stuff. That is good. I don't know how you don't like that one.
Do you need this?
Okay, so are we done?
Yep.
Then say bye.